Hi, wonderful English learners. This is Alia Mehar, and I want to give you a big, warm welcome to day 7 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. Can you believe it? We have already completed 1 full week together. 7 days of showing up, 7 days of practicing, 7 days of commitment. If you are still with me, you are not just learning English. You are proving something powerful to yourself. That you are consistent, that you are serious, and that you are capable of reaching fluency step by step. So first, give yourself a smile, give yourself a clap, and say out loud with me, I am learning. I am growing. I am improving. Beautiful. That is exactly the kind of energy we need today. Now, I know some of you may have doubts. Maybe you are thinking, 15 days is a lot. Can I really stay motivated? And I want to look you in the eye right now, even if you are just listening to me through your headphones, and say, yes, you can. Because fluency is not about magic. It's about small, repeated steps that lead to big changes. Every day that you practice with me, you are getting better. Every day that you repeat these sentences, your English muscles are growing stronger. And by day 15, you will look back and be amazed at how much progress you have made. So trust the process and trust yourself. Now, let me tell you why today's topic is special. We are going to talk about weather and seasons. And you might think, weather, seasons, that's so simple. But let me tell you a secret. Simple topics are the most powerful. Do you know why? Because people talk about them every single day. Imagine meeting someone new. You don't always start by talking about your job or your dreams. Often the first thing people say is, "How's the weather?" Or, "It's so hot today, isn't it?" Talking about the weather is not just small talk. It's a doorway to connection. And when you can talk about the weather naturally in English, you can start any conversation with confidence. And then there are the seasons. Oh, the seasons are beautiful because they carry feelings, memories, and emotions. Think about summer. Warm days, cold drinks, vacations. Think about winter. Cozy nights, hot tea, sweaters, maybe snow. Spring brings flowers and fresh starts. Autumn brings colors and calm. Every season tells a story, and when you can express that story in English, you connect more deeply with people all around the world. So, here is what we will do today. We will practice 30 simple, clear A1 and A2 level sentences about weather and seasons. I will say each sentence twice so you can shadow me and feel the rhythm of natural English. After every few sentences, I will cheer for you because learning should not feel heavy. It should feel exciting. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the weather, share your favorite season, and use everyday English in a natural way. But before we dive into the sentences, I want you to imagine something. Imagine you are traveling to another country. You meet someone new and they ask you, "Do you like this weather?" And instead of feeling nervous or shy, you smile and reply confidently, "Yes, it's sunny and warm. I really like it." That simple moment makes you feel proud, doesn't it? Because you are not just answering, you are connecting. And that's exactly why we are here today. Now, I have a small challenge for you. At the end of this lesson, I want you to go to the comments and write this sentence. My favorite season is because. Fill in the blanks with your real answer. Maybe your favorite season is spring because the flowers are beautiful. Maybe it's summer because you love the sunshine. Or maybe it's winter because you enjoy hot chocolate. Share it with me in the comments because when you write it down, you are practicing English. And when you share it, you inspire other learners too. And one more thing before we start. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. Why? Because every day we are growing together, and I don't want you to miss a single step of this journey. Subscribing keeps you connected, and it makes sure you join me tomorrow for day 8. Imagine how proud you will feel when you complete all 15 days. Imagine being able to say, "Yes, I did it. I stayed consistent. I improved." That will be your victory, and I want to celebrate it with you. So, English learners, take a deep breath with me. Put a smile on your face. Feel proud of how far you've come. And now say with me, I am ready. I am confident. I will practice today. Perfect. Then let's begin day 7 of our challenge with 30 sentences about weather and seasons. Sentence 1. It is sunny today. Repeat. It is sunny today. Sentence 2. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Sentence 3. It is a hot day. Repeat. It is a hot day. Well done, English learners. You are warming up perfectly. Sentence 4. It is raining outside. Repeat. It is raining outside. Sentence 5. I need an umbrella. I need an umbrella. Sentence 6. The weather is cloudy. Repeat. The weather is cloudy. Excellent! You sound clearer already. Sentence 7. It is cold today. It is cold today. Sentence 8. I am wearing a jacket. Repeat. I am wearing a jacket. Sentence 9. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. Keep going. Every repetition is building fluency. Sentence 10. The sun is shining. Repeat. The sun is shining. Sentence 11. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. Sentence 12. It is snowing outside. Repeat. It is snowing outside. Wonderful! You are speaking naturally now. Sentence 13. I like spring. I like spring. Sentence 14. The flowers are beautiful. Repeat. The flowers are beautiful. Sentence 15. The weather is warm. The weather is warm. Great job! Halfway done, you are unstoppable. English learners, pause for a moment and just think about what you have done. You have already spoken 15 full English sentences with me today. That means you didn't just listen. You spoke. You practiced. You gave power to your own voice. And that's exactly how fluency is built. Do you see what's happening here? Every time you repeat a sentence, your brain is making stronger English connections. Your mouth is learning to move in new ways. Your ears are getting used to the rhythm of English. These are the small steps that lead to big changes. Many people give up too quickly. They think, English is too hard, or I'll never sound confident. But look at you. You are still here. You are practicing, and you are proving that you can do it. That is strength. That is consistency. That is the key to success. So I want you to tell yourself right now, I am not weak. I am consistent. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Beautiful. That's the energy I want you to carry into the next 15 sentences. Remember, this is not just practice. It's training for your future. So keep your smile, keep your energy high, and let's continue together. Sentence 16. I love summer. Repeat. I love summer. Sentence 17. The days are long. The days are long. Sentence 18. I go swimming in summer. Repeat. I go swimming in summer. Excellent effort! Imagine saying these in real conversations. Sentence 19. I enjoy autumn. I enjoy autumn. Sentence 20. The leaves are colorful. Repeat. The leaves are colorful. Sentence 21. The weather is cool. The weather is cool. You're doing amazing. Keep your energy up. Sentence 22. Winter is my favorite season. Repeat. Winter is my favorite season. Sentence 23. I drink hot tea in winter. I drink hot tea in winter. Sentence 24. The nights are long. Repeat. The nights are long. Bravo! You are learning real daily English. Sentence 25. Today is a windy day. Today is a windy day. Sentence 26. The sky is gray. Repeat. The sky is gray. Sentence 27. The rain is heavy. The rain is heavy. Perfect! Just a few more to finish strong. Sentence 28. I like cool weather. Repeat. I like cool weather. Sentence 29. The season is changing. The season is changing. Sentence 30. I enjoy talking about the weather. Repeat. I enjoy talking about the weather. Congratulations! You practiced 30 real-life sentences about weather and seasons. But remember, fluency doesn't come from one practice. Fluency comes from repetition. So here's your first homework. Watch this video again tomorrow. Yes, again. Repetition is the secret to making English natural for you. Each time you repeat, the sentences will flow more smoothly. And your second homework? Go to the comments and write this sentence. My favorite season is because. Fill in the blanks with your own answer. Don't be shy. Write in English, even if it's simple. This is your practice space. I read your comments, and your practice inspires other learners too. Now listen carefully because this is important. When you comment, when you repeat, when you watch again, you are not just learning words, you are building habits. And habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. So by doing this small practice every day, you are training yourself to become a fluent speaker. And if today felt powerful, just imagine how you will feel on day 15 when you complete this challenge. You will look back and say, wow, I stayed consistent. I didn't give up. I made it. And that victory will be yours forever. But I don't want you to walk this journey alone. I want you to stay connected, to stay with me every single day. So please, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell right now. Why? Because tomorrow is day 8, and I don't want you to miss it. Each day is connected. Each day is building your confidence. And if you skip, you break the flow. Stay with me, and together we will reach fluency. Before we close, I want you to repeat after me one last time. Say it with energy. Say it with belief. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. Yes, that is the voice of a winner. That is your voice. Carry this energy with you today. Practice these sentences again, share your homework in the comments, and come back tomorrow with the same passion. Remember, I admire you. I respect your effort. I am proud of you. Keep going, because your fluency is waiting for you. See you tomorrow in day 8.